Once the second fiber is loaded into the splicer, visually verify the position of the fiber's ends. They both should fall about halfway between the inside edge of the V-grooves and the center line of the electrodes. At this point, depending on your operation mode, the splicer may start automatically, or you may have to press set or play. If you haven't turned on any of the pause options, then the splicer will proceed through the entire splice, where you'll see the fibers come together, be inspected by the splicer, and get spliced together. Again, depending on the operation mode, you may need to press the set key or play to tension test the fibers and open the wind protector. Carefully remove the spliced fibers from the splicer and position the shrink sleeve over your splice by using the positioning feature on top of the heater oven. If you're using sheath clamps, you have an additional positioning feature. Grab the fiber opposite the protection sleeve at the edge of the sheath clamp, grab the protection sleeve side and lift the whole splice out of the machine. Then tilt the fiber to center the sleeve over the splice point using your fingers as a position stop. After centering the sleeve, hold tension on the fiber and lower it into the heater oven. Fiber splices have a very good tensile strength, so don't worry about breaking the splice. Hold the splice this way until the heater elements capture the splice protector. If you let go too soon, the sleeve will fall below the heat elements and won't shrink correctly. When the heating cycle is finished, lift the protected splice out of the oven and set it down to cool off. It will be quite hot, so wait a minute or so before touching it. The splicing and heating functions of the machine operate independently of each other, so you're free to begin the next splice as soon as the heating cycle starts. Now that the splice is finished, take some time to do a few practice splices, explore the settings, try out different operation modes. Getting to know your equipment is the best way to set yourself up for future success. The 90S Plus is the workhorse of the core alignment splicing world, boasting the Fujikura reputation for reliability and durability. So when you walk up to the job site with your splicer case in hand, you have more than just a splicing machine. You have the 24/7, 365 live support of the AFL Splicer team, along with our expertise and our dedication to your success. If you have any questions, comments, or issues, simply give us a call at 1-800-235-3423, option 3.